In this video, we will learn how to calculate 4 yearly moving averages. Let's take an example. The example states that indicate the trend in wages using 4 yearly moving averages. Data given to us is of year from 2005 to 2012 and the corresponding wages in those years. Now to calculate 4 yearly moving averages, a table should be prepared in the following manner. We have year and wages, which are the two that come from the question itself. Then we will have 4 yearly moving totals, next 2 yearly moving totals, and finally 4 yearly moving average. Now to write the year and wages, a particular order is to be maintained and it is to be written in the following way. We will write the first 2 years, that is 2005 and 2006, one below the other. Then leave one line and write the next, that is 2007. Leave another line, write 2008. Leaving another line, 2009. Leave another line, write 2010. Leave another line and finally write 2011 and 12 consecutively. Now for all the years we will write the corresponding wages right from 2005 to 2012. Now to calculate the next column, that is the 4 yearly moving totals, we will take totals of 4 numbers at a time. So starting from the top, we will take the total of these 4 numbers and the total comes to 5120. Now moving down below, we will take the next 4 numbers and taking the total of these, the total comes to 5270. Moving further, we will take the next 4 numbers and here the total comes to 5340. Taking the next 4 numbers, total comes to 5520, and finally the last 4 numbers from 1300 to 1700, the total comes to 5820. Now if you observe, all the 4 yearly moving totals were written where we had left a line before. Now moving further, for calculating 2 yearly moving totals, we will take 2 numbers at a time. So taking the first 2, that is 5120 plus 5270, the total comes to 10,390. Then the next 2 numbers, that is 5270 plus 5340, the total is 10,610. Moving further, 5340 plus 5520, the total is 10,860. And the last 2, that is 5520 plus 5820, the total is 11,340. Now the last column, that is the 4 yearly moving average, what we need to do is take the 2 yearly moving totals and divide it by 8. So in the first case, 10,390 divided by 8, the answer comes to 1298.75. The next, there is 10,610 divided by 8, the answer is 1326.25. Next, 10,860 divided by 8, the answer comes to 1357.50. And finally 11,340 divided by 8, the answer is 1417.50. And here we have our 4 yearly moving averages.